Hello, everyone, and welcome to FabCon TV. This morning, I'm here with Avanade. Avanade, right? So before we get started, why don't you guys tell us who you are and what you do at Avanade?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks, Patrick.
Yeah.
Hey, everyone. I'm Matthias from Avanade. I'm running our data and AI business for Austria, Switzerland, and Germany.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and good morning, everyone. Great to be here. I'm Ryan Price. I lead our Avanade European, Middle East data and AI practice.
Wow. All right. Okay. So before we go into all of the tech things that we're going to talk about, tell us a little bit. I know about Avanade, obviously, but maybe there's someone that doesn't. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what?
For those who don't know, Avanade is a joint venture of Microsoft and Accenture. So what we do is we live and breathe Microsoft technology, and we bring it to enterprise clients around the world. Right, so we are around about 70,000 people who do nothing but Microsoft technology.
Wow, 70,000.
Right.
Wow. Okay.
So, and with Accenture, we're serving the biggest clients around the world, and Avanade as a brand themselves, we focus a lot on mid-market clients, so helping the mid-market clients to adopt Microsoft technology.
Wow. All right. So Microsoft Technologies, Fabric. That's the
Absolutely.
that's the technology.
That's why we're all here.
Right? That's my technology. Tell us about the journey. Tell me about the journey that you all have had with a Microsoft Fabric.
Sure. No, it's been an amazing journey so far. So we as Avanade have been involved since day one. Even before Fabric was called Fabric, we were involved together with Microsoft, providing key feedback on some of the services and helping in the development process. And I think also very important along our journey has been that we've been a customer zero for Microsoft Fabric. So we've had for some time the world's largest implementation of Microsoft Fabric with Accenture and Avanade together. And of course, we helped Arun and the team also with the initial Microsoft implementation of Microsoft Fabric. So really from day one involved internally preparing ourselves to go external and getting a huge amount of more than 8,000 people of our people trained and certified and ready to go on Fabric so that we can really help our customers on their journey.
I remember when we were working on it and getting ready to go to public preview. It's the worst kept secret.
Exactly.
It's the worst kept secret. Don't say anything. Everybody knew about it. So speaking of customers, tell me a little bit about your customers. Maybe one of the most impressive or interesting customers that you've worked with.
Sure. Yeah. So I guess most of your viewers have followed the keynote of Arun on Tuesday.
Oh, yeah, it's a great keynote. Right? Yeah.
You saw Siemens on stage.
Yes.
Yeah. Christian Meyer from Siemens talking about how they adopt Power BI and Fabric. And I think that's a great example of what we see in the big enterprises. Yeah. They have a best-of-breed strategy. They run Snowflake, they run Informatica and all the other stuff. But they are looking together with us at how can I adopt features and components of Fabric to even improve, to adapt their data clouds.
Yeah.
So in this example, Siemens is super, super happy about the integration options, especially with tools like Snowflake, for instance.
Yeah.
Right. So all the announcements that we saw here are amazing for them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And well, there's also another great example of Met Office in the UK. It's also a client of ours, and we brought a little video because they have an amazing implementation of RTI, and that's something we're all really excited about.
RTI. Right? Everybody's talking about RTI. You want to take a look?
Yeah, let's tune in.
Yeah.
Met Office is the UK's National Meteorological Service, and we provide critical weather services and world-leading climate science to help people stay safe and thrive. We provide services that range from helping people to know when to take their umbrella out to go shopping, to allowing the military to know when it's safe to land Chinooks at RAF Wigan. We produce around 400 terabytes of data daily, 40 of which is our
400 terabytes.
And this can include 20 billion observations that help track the current state of the atmosphere.
So we have lots of data, but it's all locked away in silos, and that makes it incredibly difficult for different people to access that data and make use of it to deliver our services to customers. We want to make that more more easily available to people to use. And that enables the public and our customers, but also ourselves, to use emerging technologies like AI to drive better insights from that data and create new innovative products from that data.
Microsoft are a critical technology partner for the Met Office. They help us provide the world's largest cloud-based weather forecasting supercomputer, and we wanted a data platform that was able to make use of that supercomputer. So choosing Microsoft's Fabric data platform was the obvious choice.
Microsoft Fabric offered several key capabilities that were crucial for the Met Office. Microsoft Fabric enabled the Met Office to integrate various data sources seamlessly. This integration helps in consolidating weather data from different systems and making it easier to analyze and interpret. The platform provided the ability to process data in real time. This is essential for accurate and timely weather observations. The platform's advanced analytic capabilities allow the Met Office to perform complex data analysis and generate insights that were previously difficult to obtain. This improved their observability data and provide more accurate information. By leveraging these capabilities, the Met Office was able to overcome their pressing challenges around disconnected data and enhance their weather observations.
Overall, the strong working relationship between Avanade and the Met Office, characterized by collaboration, expertise, tailored solution, ongoing support and shared goals, has been key to achieving a positive outcome for this project.
From the outset, Avanade demonstrated a deep technical understanding alongside a real understanding of the Met Office's mission and values. They looked for opportunities to really enhance the delivery, and Avanade consistently demonstrated agility and leadership throughout this project. And the result was a solution that really reflects the Met Office's mission and value. What made it true partnership was the ability of Avanade to buy into our vision, really leveraging Fabric to unlock the potential of our data and accelerate our innovation. They tailored their approach to our specific needs, and their ongoing support and responsiveness helped us to navigate challenges with confidence. Their team didn't just deliver what was asked for, they went beyond expectations.
Do what matters. Do what matters. Right? I like that.
The forecast matters to all of
It
us,
absolutely
right?
matters. I was drawn in. I got drawn in. I was like, do what matters.
Tech and the RTI team really challenged us, and so we wanted to deliver.
I bet. The RTI is taking off. If you come to the Fabric conference, the Fabric Community Conference, any of the Fabric Community Conferences, there's a we're watching it right now. The race driving thing. It's amazing. It's amazing. I was like number 57 in the thing. So
Not too bad.
but Fabric's amazing, right? All the things that happen with Fabric. But there's other softwares and other tools out there that people are using. And I know you all work with customers that are, since you said all the Microsoft technologies, like Azure Databricks, for example.
Absolutely.
And so when you have a customer that's already on Databricks, what do they think about Fabric? Are they looking at it? Are they thinking about moving to it? How do you handle that?
No, absolutely. I mean, I think that's one of our common daily discussions that we're having with customers is, for those that have put together a world-class, Azure Databricks platform, how do they leverage Fabric? And how those two worlds work together, and what do the architectural patterns look like? So, absolutely, our recommendation is that you've got a world-class platform. Look at Fabric from what are the things that it brings, on top of that, and so, how can we integrate those two things to work seamlessly? And by design, it's already been done in that way. So it's really an interesting discussion, and I think quite some great integration and how those two capabilities can bring just the best of the best.
Yeah, I try to tell people all the time, don't do solve, right? We're trying to solve a problem. Right? We don't want to just do something. We want to solve a problem. There's so many things that could be done, especially with those two working together. It's amazing. I think
we always say better together. So
better
absolutely.
together. Yeah, it's really remarkable. Anything else you want to add before we wrap up?
Well, I mean, I know you've got a great community of technology enthusiasts.
Yeah.
Avanade is a global company of tech enthusiasts. So if you guys are interested in working on some of these exciting projects like we just saw from Met Office, reach out to us, reach out to Ryan, reach out to myself on LinkedIn, or whatever network you prefer. You're going to find us. And yeah, happy to hear from you.
All right. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to come hang out with us during the busy conference on FabCon TV. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Post it in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks all.
What a great conversation at the Microsoft Fabric Community Conference. Be sure to give this video a like and hit subscribe for more videos coming out of FabCon TV. Also, I'd be remiss if I didn't ask you to register for the next FabCon, which will be in Atlanta in March 2026. Come join Patrick, myself, and all of the Microsoft folks. You can see a QR code on the screen right now. Scan that and use code FABATL to get $200 off of the registration. Thank you so much for watching. Keep being awesome, and we'll see you in the next video.